Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for a little while, but I'm back with another weekly stamping collab, and this one was hosted by Patty's Polish Corner. Check the description box for links to everybody's video. As a base, I'm wearing this beautiful purple polish from Bases Loaded Lacquer. It's called Creativity, and it's one of the 4 shades she created to celebrate her 5th Indieversary. The red shade is called Passion. The blue shade is called Serenity, and it's full of magical glitters. The last shade is an emerald green, and it's also full of beautiful green glitters, and it's called Harmony. They will be available on the Bases Loaded Lacquer website starting August 20th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll have a link to her website as well as a discount code Jenny10, which you can now use because I am a brand ambassador for Bases Loaded Lacquer. It's good for 10% off your order, excluding charity polishes and Lush products. For my hot air balloon design, I chose this image from the Wanderlust La Cosedora stamping plate in collaboration with Nails Anatomy. I use a black stamping polish to pick up the image. Then with a white polish, I fill in the clouds. This part of the image that I'm not going to use, I remove using a piece of tape. I fill in the rest of the image using 3 La Cosedora stamping polishes. To make sure all parts of the image transfer onto my nail, I'll apply some foil glue. I'll know it's dry once it turns clear. After double checking that the image is completely dry, I can stamp it directly onto my nail. And look how cute it turned out. The last step is to apply a shiny top coat. And this is the completed manicure. I love how it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!